For this second part of the video, we will now move on and discuss about calculating the future value factors using the basic calculator. Of course, we would again need our basic calculators, so get yours too so that you could follow the steps. If you already got your basic calculator, let's continue with the tutorial. Using the same given as before, which is 10,000 pesos at 10% in 8 years, we will calculate the future value. The first thing that we have to do is to press 1.10 again in the calculator. After pressing 1.10, we will now press the multiplication sign twice. For the equal sign presses, what we have to do is to deduct 1 from the number of years. So given that we have to compute for 8 years, the number of equal sign presses is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, we will get the future value factor, which is 2.143588881. Just like in the present value, we will multiply this future value factor to 10,000 in order to get the future value factor amount. So, multiplied by 10,000. So, the future value of 10,000 using 10% in 8 years is 21,435.89, rounded off. Now, we will proceed to computing the future annuity factors, and we will start with the future value of ordinary annuity. For the future value of ordinary annuity, just like the usual first thing that we do, we have to input 1 plus the interest rate. So for this case, we'll use the same given, which is 10,000 at 10% in 8 years. We will first input, as usual, 1.10 and then press the multiplication sign twice. Then, we also have to deduct 1 to the number of years to get the equal sign presses. So in this case, we will press the equal sign 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After which, we will press the minus sign and 1 sign and then 1 and then press the equal sign. Lastly, we will divide the resulting amount by the interest rate, which is in this case 10%. We will now come up with a future value of ordinary annuity factor, which is equal to 11.43588881. The last thing that we will discuss in this two-part video is the future value of annuity due. We will still use the same given, which is 10,000 pesos at 10% in 8 years. Again, we will press 1.10 in the calculator and then press the multiplication sign twice. After that, we will press the equal sign for the number of years given. So in this case, we will press it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we will press the minus sign and 1 to deduct it to the result. After that, we will divide it with the interest rate, which is in this case 10%. Lastly, we will deduct the resulting amount again by 1. So press the minus sign and then 1, and now we will be able to get the future value of annuity due factor, which is equal to 12.57947691. Now, we're done learning how to compute present and future value factors using the basic calculator. How was today's content? Was it helpful? You could provide your feedback on the comment section. If you want to get accounting related learning materials, you could also like and follow our Facebook page. The link is provided in the description box. See you in our upcoming videos.